All right, yeah. Let's go over the trade I just took, literally right now, as you can see right there. I took two trades today. One was a loss, one was a low quick dub. They're both going to the same liquidity target. This one, I actually really like this trade. Really unfortunate that we got stopped wicked out here. I would have loved for this one to hit. We had a way better entry, way better risk reward. Freak. Well, what really happened was just we were chopping around for a little bit. I mean, it was not like really chop, just to say. Like, it was just like not really going to any significant draw on liquidity. It was just going to internal draws and like reacting to fair value gaps. And as you can see here, we have two doji candles, so we were just having volatile pushes to the upside and the downside at the same time. But the main idea was still there. We're in this high time frame gap. I was waiting for ES to just sweep this draw on liquidity. I know it's not a significant draw, but it's a 5-minute draw on liquidity here. So we tapped into that. We started pushing lower. The first trade I took with OTE. So I actually had a little good entry. I'm pretty sure I did this. Took it off of this. So right there we tapped into 0.618. And this actually I took it right here. This first move up, we like barely missed the gap, but we tapped into equilibrium, so I entered off of that, and then we started coming down. Then we came back up, but we got wicked out. The reason, I mean, the OT actually would have worked right here if we tapped into 0.618, and I just entered straight off of that. Turn off my magnet. Would have put my stop loss at like 0.79 or like right above. And since I'm a little cocky little guy, probably would have just put it right there. Then my TP probably would have been here. It's like the other one's 4.27. Probably just would have made it a little safer by making it a 4.0. So like that, we would have made it, right? The reason I got stopped out is because I only eyed it. Like, I used my eyes. I didn't even actually look. We barely missed a 3-minute gap, and we didn't tap into it, but I thought we did at the time. So, and we tapped into equilibrium, and we had it starting a little bearish reaction. So I entered. But yeah, we got stopped out, wicked out on this one. This one was just mainly because of ES sweeping this liquidity here. Then we inverse this 1 minute. That's the only reason I entered there. And then also because like the main idea was I was still thinking we were gonna come down and sweep this liquidity, especially after sweeping this draw on liquidity right at market open. So okay, now we're gonna come back down and sweep this Linden low. So yep, that was my trip for the day. Really quick video. Really honestly kind of disappointed because that first one should have hit and I sold because I'm not looking correctly. If I just looked correctly, then I would have entered on this move up into 0.618 and I would have took a good ass trade. Really good risk reward as well. But now because of that, I did it wrong. I only got a 2.36 to 1. And we did hit, flushed through, so I guess something to be happy about. But yeah, let's go. That was my trick for the day. What do y'all think about my new eyebrows? I plucked my shits yesterday. They used to be wide like this. They used to be like, or not like, it wasn't like defined, but it was like hairs, like a bunch of hairs that were like black that would go up like right here. And then this one would be like a little bit. And this one would be like right here on the little corners, like on the part where it starts curving down, it would go like this, like all the way to up here, it would be hairs.